Hey guys, welcome to my next video. Today we'll learn about 3D sketch in SolidWorks. This feature allows you to sketch on several planes. So let's try it. So this is the model I have created using 3D sketch, and this is quite a useful tool in SolidWorks. Unlike 2D sketch, which is able to define extrusion, holes, paths, and other features, 3D sketch tool allows us to draw complex shapes that slides through 3D dimensions, and it snakes from one plane to another plane and creating a 3D model. Just like 2D counterparts, the 3D sketch tool creates geometry by using point, line, or splines and any other sketchable shape to define a profile. But what makes 3D different from 2D sketch? The answer is simple. 3D sketching can exist on multiple planes simultaneously. Uh, so we'll try our model. We'll create another one. So go to just open this and go to here, sketch, the drop down menu, choose 3D sketch and start sketching. No need to worry about other things, and you can press tab to change the directions here. And 3D sketch allows us to toggle through X, Y, Y, Z and ZX dimensions of the sketch plane by quickly pressing the tab key. So you can press tab key. Suppose you want to go this direction, then just click the origin and go through this line here, and it shows the angle, so 0°. And if you want to go up, then you should press tab and it will appear like this, and you can go just here. No need to worry about other things. So if you want to come this way, then okay, done. And this, and this, and this. So okay, we'll do this much only today. It's up to you how many lines you want to create. You can create. So this is our 3D sketch here, and I'm going to make a pipe like that. You can see here this one. So we'll create that. If you want to put dimensions, then we can do it. I'll keep all lines of 100 mm so that it will be easier, no need to worry about others dimension. This 100. So all lines are kept at 100 mm, and so next thing I want to tell you that if we are not going to make a plane or a profile, then we won't be able to extrude from a swift boss. We can create a swift here. So for this we have to create one profile here. So first of all, I'll do fillet. I'll apply fillet here, exit the smart dimension and go to fillet, so that your pipe become quite bending like that. Otherwise it will fix like this sketch. So we want to create here fillet. I think let's try 20 mm here. Okay, 20 mm fillet on each corners. If you are not if you do not apply fillet, then the corner won't be like this. If you want to create corner like this, then you have to apply fillet. So it's my suggestion to you. Okay, and now I'm going to exit this sketch and go to plane here. First reference, you keep front plane, side, okay, right plane, and the second one this point here, and it's fully defined. Click OK, and your plane appears here, and you just go here and click sketch, then it will appear. Make normal for your convenience and make one circle here. You can create any profile here, so I choose circle of diameter 20 mm. 20. So okay, my sketch is complete, and I'm going to extrude it using a swift here. Okay, I can extrude this sketch and go to add this plane. Okay, go to swift workspace here. 3D sketch is easy to create different shapes quickly, like wires or pipes, tubing, complex surface shapes, etc. Okay, here. So these lines, these visible lines, you can hide it. Go this here and click this, and all the solid lines are hidden, are made hidden here. And to look like pipe, then we have to create hole or cell here. So you can just go to click this face and go to cell here and create another face. It creates a cell from this face to this face, and keep parameters here 1 mm. Okay, look at this, and it's cell is created here, and we'll put some appearance here to look like to make it like a real one made of steel or anything. Or okay, I'll choose here steel, already chosen. You can choose anyone here, so steel, and okay, polish steel, and this face polished steel and steel. And if you want to put some color here, then you can just go to this here, this one, and choose the color you like. Brown. So this is our pipe we have created using 3D sketch. You can do a lot using a 3D sketch. You can create shapes like this one here. This is the tutorial I showed you about 3D sketch is one of the basic you can do in using a 3D sketch. You can create shapes like this one, quite complex geometry. So this was for today, and thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you want to learn more about CAD, then you can just subscribe to my channel, and we'll post videos every week. Thank you.